For me as an actress, I always need to master my instrument, and this is the best place to do it because it's with one of the most respected coaches.
Working in person with people, working with other actors in person, using props and space instead of doing everything online has been so incredible, and I've learned so much from the other actors as well.
Just for one day. And you can be new.
Everyone has different ages, so being able to be here with people who have lived different experiences from me, who are older and have more to share, I feel like I've been learning a lot.
This morning we did a journaling exercise with Howard Fine. Just taught me to listen to my first instinct instead of trying to pull and making excuses to go somewhere else, just to sit in it and go with the first thing I think of.
The Quiet Collective is the place that I haven't expected to have such a human touch to it. They have so much heart, they have so much know-how of how to make us feel comfortable, and at the same time it is hard work, but it doesn't feel like it because we are surrounded by kindness, by fantastic food, and by a wonderful place, Calabria.
The environment is insane, it's magical, and that adds to the title of the event itself, which is Awakening Our Authentic Selves, which this facilitates.
The staff here and the team running this entire retreat and program, the people driving us are super nice. The people waiting on us are super nice. The community in Calabria is very friendly, and I felt so welcome since I landed.
Before I came to Calabria, I started following Villa Victoria on Instagram, and so Nonna Victoria was a celebrity in my mind. So getting to do a cooking class with the one and only Nonna Victoria was super special. She just exudes this beautiful aura of joy, and Pasquale, part of the family, being on this gorgeous property, getting a cooking lesson that was passed down from generation to generation, that's just not something you can do anywhere.
Everything is just feeding your sensitivity and your creativity with the food, with the nature. It's calm, the weather is nice, the people, you're all here for one thing. And if we had the same retreat anywhere else or in a regular studio, it would not have been the same.